Have you ever wondered what makes you, you? Why do you have your mother's eyes or your father's smile? What if I told you that inside every cell of your body lies a microscopic instruction manual, a genetic code that has been evolving for billions of years? Welcome to the story of DNA and genes, the real blueprint of life. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is like the source code of life, a twisted ladder-shaped molecule made of 4 basic chemical units: adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G. These bases pair up, A with T and C with G, and the sequence in which they're arranged determines everything about a living organism. Each human cell has about 3 billion base pairs. If you could stretch your DNA from just one cell, it would be about 2 meters long, and all the DNA in your body could wrap around the Earth millions of times. Genes are specific sequences of DNA that act like instructions, each gene telling your body how to make proteins. Proteins build everything: your muscles, your eyes, your immune system, even your mood. Humans have around 20,000 to 25,000 genes, and even a small change in a gene, a mutation, can lead to new traits or sometimes even diseases. That's how evolution happens: small random changes over millions of years that eventually give rise to new species. Life began as simple molecules. Over billions of years, DNA began copying itself, mutating and improving. These mutations led to diversity. Fins became legs, lungs evolved from gills, brains grew larger, and from single-celled organisms came dinosaurs, birds, and finally, humans. Every human shares 99.9% of the same DNA, and yet the remaining 0.1% is what makes each of us unique. Gene cloning is the process of making exact copies of a gene. Scientists use it to study how genes work or to produce substances like insulin for diabetics. And then comes genetic modification, using technologies like CRISPR to edit DNA. With CRISPR, scientists can snip out faulty genes and insert healthy ones. It's revolutionizing medicine, from curing blindness to treating cancer. There's even talk about designer babies, where parents could one day choose their child's eye color, intelligence, or immunity. But this also raises big ethical questions. DNA is also your biological fingerprint. No two people, except identical twins, have the same DNA. That's why DNA is so powerful in forensic science, identifying criminals or even ancient mummies. Today, people take home DNA tests to discover where their ancestors came from. Your saliva might reveal that you're part African, part Asian, and part Neanderthal. If unwound, all your DNA could stretch to the sun and back over 600 times. Bananas share about 60% of the same DNA with humans. Octopuses can edit their own RNA, a cousin of DNA, almost like rewriting their code on the go. So, the next time you look in the mirror, remember, you are a living, breathing miracle of molecular engineering. DNA is not just a scientific term. It's the silent storyteller of evolution, the architect of life, and possibly the key to our future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wizzle Dwizzle for more amazing journeys into science and mystery.